What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and in today's episode we are going to be looking at XRP, Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, VONG, which is the Russell 1000, and the S&P 500, going over where the markets left off on Friday evening. We made an update video on Friday morning here. Quite an interesting little market movements. Hopefully everybody is enjoying their 3-day weekend here, but the markets aren't stopping for anyone except for the S&P 500. So we are going to be looking at those two as well. But cryptocurrency, certainly we're going to have to just adjust and tweak some charts a little bit here to kind of incorporate the current price history that the markets are going into. But otherwise we look pretty good. Pretty good if you ask me. I mean, everything is doing exactly how we last left it just a couple of days ago here, with Solana beautifully forming its, ascending fractal here. It don't get any more perfect than this. From where we left off to where we are now, huge correction down. This is exactly what we had drawn here. XRP continuing its descending fractal symmetrical triangle. Ethereum kind of holding on for dear life right now. Lots of these cryptos we're going to have to just tweak a hair. VONG fell back down yesterday, but is on a very vital critical support. Same thing with S&P. So lots to uncover and go over in today's episode. So with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, really quick, current coin market cap 39 on the fear and greed index. We are going lower. This is crazy here. 39 falling even lower. This now opens up even more potential for an uptick, for an upswing, for volume to come crashing back into the market, pushing prices to soar. Honestly here, huge potential right now. You can see the Saturday and Sunday, lots of consolidation on XRP, BNB. Everything for the most part is trading sideways, as it usually always does when it comes to the weekend here. Yesterday, we left off talking about here that this change could change everything here. That we're starting to notice XRP and a lot of these other cryptocurrencies complete or fill in or pretty much indicate new technical indicators, or ones that we just haven't noticed immediately. Starting with XRP, a slight tweak here. Ever so slight tweak. Not enough to really change anything drastically here, but enough to really say, hey, I think we're pretty much confirmed here. So what we were originally looking like as a, a symmetrical triangle is becoming more of a descending triangle or a pennant flag regardless. Huge, and I mean huge flag pull up, lower high, lower low pattern down, finding support. You can see moving average has drastically shot up here to help support this price. I think there's a very unlikely chance we break through here and see a correction to the downside. More so, I suspect, even with the reversal doji forming now, which is insane. More so, I suspect possible reversal back up. And hopefully we breach through a lot of these resistances here and explode to the upside. That'd be incredible. That'd be great. Would love to see it. I'm sure you guys would love to see it too. A break to the upside here. But coming back down into contact with this moving average is awesome, because to me, this says we're probably not going to go lower. Even though it's possible, we also have a short-term descending fractal here, a lower high, lower low pattern. You have this flag pull up, the lower high, lower low flag down, hitting support here, possible rally to the upside. It all comes down to how we react with price ceiling right here. The goal is we break through this resistance in blue and in green and confirm the rally. And with the way the markets are now, there is tons of room and tons of potential to see this price break to the upside here. So pay very close attention to the XRP charts here, because this is a beautiful technical indicator, and they usually have a bullish kind of outlook. That's typically how we break out of these formations here. So I'm very excited to see the results of this. Solana looks phenomenal as well. I mean, it don't get better across support here. Look at the beautiful ascending, constricting fractal that's taking place here. Higher lows, higher highs, scaling this to the upside here. Just rejected off price ceiling that we've confirmed. And now we're probably going to rebound off here soon in a couple of days and start to fill in this gap. And then we're looking for the breakout or breakdown. Ideally, once we complete this, we're going to either explode up or explode down. Either direction, doesn't matter at all. It'll be a very easy technical indicator to capitalize on. Obviously, we'll do all these trades on BYDFI, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange. I have my account funded with a little over $1,000, getting ready for either, the XRP break or the Solana break. And I don't care. We could break down The sheer amount of volume that will come into the markets on either direction is enough to get in even on a late start and still be able to profit off these trades here. So it's very easy. It's extremely simple. Pay close attention because the rally is going to come fairly soon. And you guys got to be in it to win it here. BYDFI is linked down in the description below. They are the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange I like to use. Constantly giving away new promos, new user benefits up to over $8,000 here. You can buy long, sell short, create stop losses, take profits, even trailing stop losses. They even have, missed my elbow here. They even have a demo trading account, which gives you, as you can see here, up to $50,000 in demo money to practice trading your skills completely free, learn how the exchange works. And then when you're ready, you can head on over to that live trading account. So highly recommend you check this out here. But aside from Solana and moving forward from XRP, which both look primed and ready to see reversals here, I think we're going to see Solana reverse as well as XRP possibly see a reversal, especially with the reversal doji and off a major downtrend here. I wouldn't be surprised if we start to see this rebound very, very, very soon. Ethereum looks phenomenal as well. I mean, every crypto so far is showing sheer signs of possible reversal, possible uptrend. You can see here, typically we have with Ethereum here, rally up, these descending fractals to the downside, we break bullish, and here's another one. We rally out, and then here's the one we're currently in, which ideally what we're looking for is a rally out. Obviously, we could break down and come tumbling to the downside here, crashing to the downside, but we're trading at 50 on the RSI, just like we were the last time. And what usually happens is we see a major reversal. We are in a higher low, higher low, higher low, higher high pattern here. So the fact that we're getting constricted now, to me, says there's more room and potential for an upside breakout than there is for a downtrend correction here. That's my opinion. I'm a very strong believer we would more than likely see a reversal and an explosion upwards here. Same thing with Bitcoin here. Every single cryptocurrency, like clockwork, shows extreme potential for a bullish reversal here. Beautiful descending fractal here. Beautiful rebound, retesting moving average. I very much so expect to see a rebound, a reverse, a pump to the upside here. It doesn't get any more obvious than this across the board, to be honest with you here. Huge rally up, descending fractal, lower high, lower low pattern, coming right into contact with moving average. Boom. I suspect a rally. I suspect a pump to the upside here on Ethereum, on XRP, on Solana, on Bitcoin. Every single cryptocurrency looks like it's hitting its bottom in some way, shape, or form and is due for a rebound here. And we'll take advantage of it on BYDFI. I'm very excited. My funds are in my account. The opportunity to buy in and long. I have bonus crypto in here to take advantage of here. So keep your eyes peeled. This will be an extremely easy crypto to take advantage of here. Honestly, every cryptocurrency. I think the whole market's going to reverse up, to be honest with you here. But to look at some of these other the stock markets to see where we are here, I also am a firm believer there's a chance we could see markets reverse. You can see we have been in a higher low, higher high pattern here, continuously scaling up. Yes, did we come into contact right now with support, but I very likely suspect to see a rebound. I mean, anything can happen. We can easily dump and rebound to support here. And really the sign would be, do we break through this floor here? If we break through yellow, then yeah, we can expect to see a correction. And more than likely, we'll just have a candle closure or two. And then we'll know with extreme confidence, okay, time to buy in because we expect to see a short opportunity. Same thing with the stock market here, but we haven't broken through it yet. So in my mind, hey, we're now trading at, what is it, 53 on the RSI instead of 72. 72 was right over here. We're at the same price point, but way less when it comes to the move or to the relative strength indicator. Trading at 115, we're trading at almost 80. What is this? We were trading at, 72 at a price point of 114. Now we're back to 114 and we're trading at 53. So look at the upside potential we have. Over 20 points less now gives us tons of room and potential to see a possible uptick and a swing here. So I think every crypto across the board looks extremely bullish here. And I only think it's a matter of time before we have some news, something that sparks this wave and we just see the markets pump, because I think every single cryptocurrency looks ready to do so. But with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.